Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a fillet command is use and fillet last 2 point is discuss here. Okay guys, at first open a Solidworks software. Okay, this is a 3D part is already drawing here, and this is a use a last 2 point of fillet command. Okay guys, previous lecture is a first 2 point is discuss here fillet, constant fillet and variable fillet. Okay, and last 2 point is this lecture is complete here. Okay, and this fillet is a face fillet, and this fillet is a full round fillet. One by one is discuss here. Okay, face fillet is a very important, and this is a okay. Face fillet means a two face is select here, first face and this is a second face, and fillet is a create here. Okay, this is a perfect and this is a correct. Okay, and also this is a increase radius and this is a correct. Okay, and click OK. This is a perfect. Okay, radius is 10 and this fillet is used here. Okay, again fillet is used here, and this is a first face and this is a second face. Okay, this is a delete here, first and this is a second face, and okay, this is a radius is increase here, and this is a looking perfect. Preview is showing here, and click OK. This is a perfect. Okay, radius is 15 and so nice looking here. This is a perfect. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect. And again this is a delete here. Okay, this is a okay, and this body is use a this fillet is use a full round fillet. Okay, and full round fillet is very important, and this is a perfect, and this is a very useful and helpful. Create a new design create here. This fillet is very important, and this is a very useful and helpful command. Okay, and okay, items to fillet, first face is select here, second is select here, and this is a third is also select here. Okay, this is a preview is showing here. This is a correct. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, select and delete here, and okay, this face is a select and body is a correct. Okay, this is a nice looking here. Okay, this is a perfect. Also discuss here use this fillet, full round fillet is used here, and this is a this face select here, and also this face and also this face is select here, and this is a perfect. Okay, this is a correct, and also this is a correct. Okay, this face is also clear, color is a perfect. This body is a blue color is nice here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, so nice. Okay, this is a round fillet is perfect. Okay, isometric view is correct here, and this is a isometric view is drawing here. This is a perfect. So nice looking here. Okay, Okay guys, fillet command is all point one by one is discussed here, and fillet command is all 4 point is complete here. And guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. Guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you.